Hey, it's Tony from Tony's Cabin. I promised you an apple pie. We're going to make one. Today we're going to make the pie crust. I'll make the apple pie filling later, and I'll show you how to put that together when I'm done. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm going to turn you around. See how close I can get you. Okay, here's the ingredients, people. We're going to start with 2 2/3 cup of flour. Then we have a teaspoon of salt. Stir that around a little bit to get the salt incorporated into the flour. You don't want it gunked up in one spot. We got a cup of shortening or Crisco, the white stuff. See? Okay. Get that in there. Easier said than done. Okay, I got myself a pastry cutter. You can use a fork if need be. Now we're going to have to crumble, this is what I call crumble your flour and your shortening together. So here we go. We're going to keep working this until all the shortening is incorporated into the flour. It should take a few minutes. But in the meantime, we're going to make apple pie with real apples, and it should be fine. This is for Thanksgiving, people. It's not that hard. The hardest part is doing this, I think, anyway. But we're going to get it going. It takes a few minutes. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm going to pause you for a second, and I'll show you the end result of this.